How to add Facebook Pixel to ClickBank. ClickBank is an online marketplace that connects product creators with affiliates who promote digital and some physical products. It handles payments, tracks sales, and pays commissions, allowing people to earn money either by selling their own products or promoting others. First, go to ClickBank website and log into your account with email and password. After login, head over to Vendor Settings at the top and click Vendor Settings. We want to go ahead and click My Site. Then scroll down all the way until you get to Down Her. Click on this red button called Add Tracking Code. Select Facebook Pixel and click Add. For Pixel ID, head over to your Events Manager and copy your pixel and place that right into ClickBank. And then for your access token, you want to go back to your Events Manager and click on Implementations. Then click on Generate Access Token. Copy that and paste here. Then put your landing page here. Then select Affiliate. Select Confirmation Page. Click on Save. That's it. Thanks for watching.